Hello YouTube, this is Delta. I've decided to build, as you can see, the high-grade Wing Gundam 1/4 scale. I have all the parts I need. I've built them, I've cut them, sanded them, and took forever sanding. And yeah, let's get straight to the build. So as you can see, this is the instruction manual. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 page manual, I suppose. I guess you can call it a 10-page manual. I should have just counted the sheets and times it by 2. Stupid. Anyway, let's begin our construction of the Wing Gundam. And first of all, if I can find the correct page, which is here we are. It's the construction of the chest. Yes. Okay, chest piece. Chest. I'll just put instruction up here. Yeah. Alright, that's all the chest pieces. This is all I need, all the pieces for the chest. You have blue, dark blue, red, white, yellow, and a very small clear part. Now this clear part is meant to be, it's meant to be this part right here. And as you can see, that's clear green. I have clear green paint. Thus, I'm not going to, for this construction, I'm not going to build, I'm not going to put this clear part in, as it's too hard to get it back out. So I am going to paint this, but I'm going to paint it off camera. And then I might give you guys, at the end of the video, I might put some screenshots of, pictures of the painted build. There are other parts to build, to paint. Of course, there's like the Vulcans here, you have the Vulcans here, and you have also the black part from here. You have black here as well, which are in this form stickers, but we'll get to it soon, later. For now, let's just focus on the chest, shall we? So I need B7, this part right here, B7, PC2, PC and B6, PC2 right here. Here. Now, building Gunpla is all about time and patience, and also make sure you have orientation correctly. When you build a kit, you have everything placed nicely and make sure everything's orientated correctly. You don't want to pry parts out. It's painful. Believe me, I hate it. I hate prying parts out. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Make sure the pegs fit. Yep, that look nice and secure. What else? Yellow, white, A1, which is this one. One part with instruction says this. C6, red armor part comes out like this. A1, 2, this part. Alright, guys. I see. So, oops. I might need to glue this. I'm not sure. Oh, it's very loose. Wow, that's loose. That's loose. What the? That's stiff and that's loose. How does that work? It doesn't. It doesn't work that way. Wow. Yeah, I have to glue this part somehow. This part is initially done. I mean, it's just sand. It's just sanding and all that. I can't glue this. I'll glue it later. Let's see. Continue on. We have A1 18. This one goes here like that, like so. This one goes here like so. And nice and snug. Yeah. So now PC1, the neck joint. Like this. D1, which is the yellow part, which is at the thinnest part, which is this way. Orientate itself like this. Okay. Now you see this is where the clear part meant to come in. So I believe I placed the clear part back inside the box. Yes, I did. So that part is omitted, and then the backpack, which requires this piece oriented this way, poly caps. Oh no, actually these are bare plastic. Bare plastic. Nice. I'm missing something. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I knew I was missing something. This one goes here. Polycap goes into the white piece, goes here. And the white piece this way goes in so. Huh. I don't want to force it in, but there you go. Force it hardly in there. And chest piece. No, back piece. Backpack, I think this is backpack. There we go. The high grade 1/4 scale chest is now complete. Minus my going to paint part. Alright, that's the chest. Next, we'll move on to the arms. Alright guys, here we are back again, and now we're doing the second part of the build, which is the arms. Which, to be honest, I have to apologize. At the end of the first video, I said first part rather, I said arm when the second part of the build was meant to be the head. So I apologize for that. Don't kill me. So yeah, let's begin building the arm of the Wing Gundam. So this goes here. Where does this go? Like this. Nope. This. Poly cut in. Poly cut in. Poly piece, plastic piece, what is it called? Part. Come on. Sandwich together. Just sandwiching. Come on. Fiddly thing. Okay, there we go. Alright, okay, so yeah, okay. Okay, there we go. Basically my polycap was wonky. It was going upwards instead of down. But now it should be fine. So that's part of the shoulder. Let's see, next part is just the shoulder armor that goes up here. Here. Close up. The blue trim on the shoulder. Close up. The yellow pieces on the Gundam. Both sides, nice and secure, and that's the shoulder done. Now for the arms. Oops. How do you do the arms? So this part goes here. This part is okay. Okay, that's the elbow joint. Next, claws. Oh. This part up. Bring this part in the way. Bring the white bicep armor up in the way. Fist. Come on, backhand piece. There we have the arm. Left arm. There we have it. The left arm of the Wing Gundam. I already built the right arm, so here are the arms of the Wing Gundam are now complete. We can now move on to the next part, which would be the head. Okay then. Alright, moving on with the Wing Gundam 1 high grade 144th scale build. Next is the head. And I've already taken the liberty in adding the decals for it. The eye sticker. That's okay. So head. How do you fix the head? So this one goes here. Grabbing Gundamized chin. Put that through here. Put the white face mask like so. And that's the front part of the helmet. Why is something missing? Why is something not right? I fixed my problem. When I inserted this, the white mask, I didn't push it firmly in. Now it's firmly in. As you can see, it was a red peg, and that red peg part was not into the white gap, but it's in now. So I shouldn't be experiencing any more problems. Hopefully. So hard to do this assembly on camera. There we go. That's better. Next is the V-fin. The oh so iconic V-fin. Come on. Come on. Next is the jewel. Which, if I can find orientation correctly, goes in. Goes in like so. Strange. Why is it not working? I'll be back. Wait. Alright. After minutes of fiddling around, I figured out the reason why why is the camera shaking. Okay. Alright. After minutes of fiddling around, I figured out why my V-fin was not working. I basically wasn't pushing the red part in further enough. But now it's done, and why is this camera shaking? Why is the lens shaking for no reason? Let's see, okay. But basically, this is the Wing Gundam's head. And yeah, why not focus, focus, thank you. And now we'll move on to the next part of the build, which will be the legs.